The Minister of Sport, Arts and Culture, Gayton McKenzie, has defended his department's recent job advertisement, which specified racial preferences, arguing that the move is in line with South Africa's Employment Equity Act. Posting for the role of Deputy Director of Administrative Support and Coordination in McKenzie's office stated preference would be given to colored males, Indian males, white males, colored females, and Indian females. The requirements included a matric certificate or equivalent qualification, a 3-year degree or national diploma in administration, and 3 to 5 years of management experience in political and parliamentary processes. However, the racial criteria sparked criticism, with many accusing McKenzie of sidelining black African candidates. Responding to the backlash on social media, McKenzie dismissed the claims, saying his decision was aimed at correcting racial imbalances within his department. McKenzie justified the job advertisement by pointing to existing disparities in his department's workforce and said, "Employment equity, are you saying you have never heard of it? We are making sure all races are represented. There's nothing to be alarmed about." Salute. According to McKenzie, out of 586 staff members in the department, 531 are African, 19 are colored, 4 are Indian, and 32 are white. He argued that these figures demonstrate a lack of representation for minority groups and said, "I can never lead a department that is so unrepresentative of society. I'm being accused of racism by people who need to look in the mirror." The controversy has drawn mixed reactions, with some unions calling for McKenzie's removal, arguing that hiring decisions should be based solely on merit rather than race. Others have supported his stance, saying colored, white, and Indian South Africans deserve equal access to government jobs. Unmoved by criticism, McKenzie remained firm on his position and said coloreds, whites, and Indians should also get job opportunities. "You can't threaten me with unions. I will not retreat or retract." The debate highlights ongoing tensions surrounding employment equity policies in South Africa, raising questions about the balance between redress and merit-based hiring. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.